With these flags, you can charge your iPhone Safari browser and make it super fast. So to get started, open Settings. Here, scroll down and click on Apps. Now, scroll down and check for Safari browser. Once here, scroll down to the bottom and here you will find an advanced option. Click on it. Here inside advanced at the bottom you see feature flags. Now I will tell you the flags that you need to work on to boost your browsing speeds. So the first flag, prefer page rendering near 60 fps is enabled by default. This locks your Safari to work at 60 fps even if your browser supports 120 Hz. So if you have on your iPhone, it's better you disable it. This makes your scrolling smooth and much faster. So the next flag is link prefetch. It's disabled by default. If you enable it, this lets Safari load pages in background before you click them. This makes the next page open faster, but it might use more data. The next flag can help you with efficient video streaming on Safari. If you enable Codecs AV1 Codec, it reduces buffering and improves video quality, ideal for streaming on iPhone. The next set of flags that you can enable is WebGPU and support for HDR. This will let Safari use iPhone's graphics to load web pages faster and show content in HDR when available. So the last flag that you can enable is Background Fetch API. This lets Safari keep downloading large files even if you leave the tab or go offline. So these are the flags that you can enable or disable to make your Safari browser super fast on your iPhone.